In this Python data science tutorial, I will cover the Pandas data frame GroupBy function. The example dataset I am using came from Kaggle, and you can find the link in the description. First, I will load in Pandas and load in the dataset using read_csv. Let's check how many records are in the data. There's 801 Pokemon represented here. Let's look at the first few rows. Each row represents a Pokemon, and the columns represent the attributes of each Pokemon. Each Pokemon has a primary type in the Type 1 column. Let's look at those types and how many Pokemon of each type there are. We can use value counts to get this. A question we might want to know is which type of Pokemon has the highest attack stat. We can answer this by using the GroupBy function. This will calculate the average attack for each type. So we do dataframe.groupby and the column that we want to group by, and select the attack column, and then we'll calculate the mean for each of those groups. Last, we will sort values ascending equals false, which means the highest average attack will show first. So when we calculate this, we see the dragon type has the highest average attack. What if we also wanted to look at the average defense for each type? We can get both of these by using the ag function after GroupBy. We give the ag function a dictionary where the key is the column name and the value is the calculation that we want to perform. Also, to see how many Pokemon there are of each type, we can use the count function on Pokédex number, which is a unique identifier for each Pokemon. So let's run this line, and we can sort the values again on attack to show the calculations for average attack of each group, average defense, and the count of Pokemon in each type. Let's rename the column Pokédex number to Pokemon count to better represent what we calculated. And let's look at the first few rows. Lastly, if we wanted to see which Pokemon type has the highest attack and defense, we can add them together and calculate total stats. So we'll add a calculated field and add a new column. And then we can sort the data on highest total stats overall and see that the Steel type Pokemon has the highest combined attack and defense, followed by Dragon, which is the highest attack. This was a quick overview of the Python Pandas GroupBy function. Subscribe for more data science tutorials.